Hi, I'm Mike Evans from the Australian Security Academy, and this week I'm looking at technology for the licensed private investigator who conducts surveillance. Now, this is the fourth video camera I ever owned. It takes tapes, and I think at the time it cost around about $1,895. It can't do a tenth of the things that a video camera for $199 from Kmart can do today, but this was the technology back in the day. I had 3 video cameras before this. The first one cost me $4,000. That was 25 years ago. I think I'm still paying that one off. But they're all gone now to old video camera heaven, and they're being replaced by new technology. So I hear a lot of people out there complaining about the new technology and what's happening with cameras now. Cameras are a mobile thing. You all know that. You've got a mobile phone. Everybody has a camera in their pocket today. But with a great piece of new technology for surveillance agents is the unmanned aerial vehicle, or the drone. So investigators are adopting this for a range of reasons around the country. Now you'll hear people screaming about the fact that, oh no, you can't use drones for this or that. Well, that's true. The policy process and procedures and regulations according to CASA in areas, you can't use drones. But there are specific places where you can in your work as a licensed private investigator. So we teach that in our program, where you can legally do that and how you can legally do that and how you can monetize your use of drones in the private investigation industry in Australia. If you want to find out more about that, contact me. I'm Mike Evans from the Australian Security Academy. One of my frequently asked questions is, can a licensed private investigator use a tracking device? Well, yes, they can, and they do, just like police do. Here's one I prepared earlier. This is a tracking device. It can track. You're allowed to use them in your work as a licensed private investigator if it's relevant to what the tracking device can find. I've got another one. This one is the assistant to the other one, who's learning how to track. So yes, private investigators can use tracking devices in their work as a licensed private investigator. I'm Mike Evans from the Australian Security Academy.